Atlanta. It smells like pineapple. It is insanely thick. Next up, at least I don't think it does. I don't smell anything, but it does have glitter in it, and it is a really soft cloud cream, almost jelly-like actually. I am obsessed. It's very, very like, I don't know how to explain it. Chewy? Is that a way to describe slime? I really like this texture. I think I had just gotten this one because I was like, oh, well, it's some Christmas slimes left over. Might as well just like get one of them, you know. And I'm really glad. It smells like coconut and lime, and I am living for it. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. I am in love, so in love. I'm obsessed. I love the smell. I love the texture, everything. Next, blue slime that smells like chocolate. I live for stuff like that. Next up, I believe this is called Drama Llama slime. The sticker is on the back side and also has a llama, so I'm believing it's just called Drama Llama. Ooh, it's a cloud slime. Oh, okay. Whoa, this one's amazing. Okay, I feel like the other one, I love the other one, but I feel like the other one was a little bit more wet. This feels more thick and dry, you know what I mean? Clean, just clean. You know when you wash your clothes and it smells so freaking bomb? This is what this smells like. I love this scent so much. Whoa, okay, honey. You are amazing at your cloud. I think this doesn't come with the pearls inside, but it comes with extra pearls on the side and pearl pigment. The only thing that could make this better if this is like not sticky. It's not that sticky, but it does need a little bit of borax. And I'm kind of sad to ruin it because it's so pretty. So this is not scented, and I kind of figured because it's super, I figured because it's super clear. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.